How to add viral captions to shorts. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add viral captions to your YouTube shorts using CapCut. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss the key step that makes them pop. So first, open up CapCut, simply start a new project, import your video clip like usual. Once you've got your video on the timeline, tap on Text at the bottom, and then choose Auto Captions. Now a pop-up menu will appear. Tap on Templates. You'll see a bunch of dynamic pre-made styles that already include animations, colors, and bold fonts that are perfect for shorts and TikToks. Search for templates like Viral Pop-Up or Trending Bold Text. These are designed to grab attention quickly. Just tap one and CapCut will automatically apply it to all your captions. Then hit Generate. It will transcribe your audio automatically and add text over your video. Once everything's styled with your chosen template, preview your video. If it looks good and matches your video's vibe, just tap Export. And it's ready to go straight to YouTube Shorts. That's how you can add viral captions to shorts. No need to manually customize fonts or colors. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick content hacks. Thanks for watching.